Hi, I'm Nura from Charms Bakes. Today I'm going to show you how to make our most popular festive cake, Tapak Kuda, or we call it a horseshoe roll cake. Okay, so I'm going to start. So I'm going to put everything, all the ingredients inside. 5 eggs, sugar and Ovalette. So I'm going to start slow, gradually from speed 1 to speed 4. Okay, so your batter should look thick like this. Okay, next we'll put in the flour, the baking powder, and the vanilla essence. I'm gonna let this run for another 3 minutes. Again, I'll start slow from speed 1 to speed 4. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you how it will look like now. Okay, last ingredient, we're gonna add the butter. So for the butter, we're gonna add it slowly. So I'm gonna start the mixer to 20 seconds, and then I'm gonna do speed 1, and I will slowly add in the butter. And our batter is ready. The batter should measure about 250 to 260 grams per tray. Okay, I'm going to keep some balance for mixing it with the chocolate emuleo later. So I'm going to make this even. Okay, so for the chocolate decoration on top of the cake, I'm just going to add some chocolate emulsion. So I'm just going to manually mix it with my spatula. Put the chocolate batter into a piping bag. And then I'm going to decorate just with lines. Okay, so this is how I marble it. And this will go into the oven for 10 minutes. Okay, the cake is baked. So I'm going to cut the cake into half. Place your cling wrap flat like this. And then take one cake. So just use 2 tablespoons of the Nutella spread. Do not use more than that because it will be too much. So I'm going to show you how to fold this cake into half. Just take the tip of the cling wrap and slowly move forward until you see eye level. Then you press it together and you fold it. Give it a light press and fold it, roll, and there you go. So I hope you like it and you try the recipe. So let us know and tag us in social media, and thank you for watching.